guys, today I've got one of these round body Schlage padlocks. It's got this molly something or other shackle on it. I'm guessing that's something like a boron shackle. It's a solid steel construction. It's extremely heavy. It's got a typical American keyway, but it's actually pinned for 6, I believe. So it seems like it'd be a pretty good lock. So let's see how tough it really is. I'm going to be using my 50 thousandths pry bar from Peterson and my Southord DeForest diamond. Alright, one is springy. Little tiny click out of 3, very, very slight turn of the core. And doesn't feel like anything going on back there. Back out to 1. Little tiny turn again, not much. 2 is not going anywhere. 3 feels set. Click out of 4. And nothing going on back there. Back out to 1. Binding again. Oh, there's a good click out of 1. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3. 4 is definitely binding. Little tiny bit of counter rotation. There we go, I got that. And we got an open. Let's see what we got inside here. Got a key, but let's see if we can do it without it here. One of these days I'll get the tool you're actually supposed to use for these, and that would be why you get the tool, because that just rocketed across the room. Looks like we've got 2 anti-drill pins right here out front. Got a steel key pin, standard, a serrated brass, a steel serrated, another serrated brass, and 2 more serrated brass. Got a spool on 6, another spool, another spool, probably gonna be all spools and 1 standard. Yep, spool, spool, and a steel standard pin. It's like all just regular copper springs in the Bible. Nothing else fancy about that. Let's check the core here. It does look like there's some undercutting or something in the core. Probably can't see that, can you? No. little tiny lips in there. I don't know if it's a manufacturing thing, if they meant to do it, or if it's a defect or what, but that's what we got. Get close. 5 little commercial spools, steel standard, 2 steel key pins, 1 standard and 1 serrated, and the rest are just serrated brass. All in all, not a half bad lock. Gave me a little bit of run for my money. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll get more videos out to you soon. And for those of you that like to see the key, here's the key bitting for you. A little bit low out front, high in the back. Not terrible. One thing I don't like though is, of course, they stamp the key number, or the bitting, right on the key. So if anybody sees your key, they know exactly what's inside. Thanks for watching, guys.